You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. Come take a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.